Hello dear students, welcome to today's class. In our previous class, we have learned about heavy and light objects. We have also categorized different objects on the basis of heavy, heavier, heaviest. In last class, I have told all of you to make your balance. I hope you have made it, and further I have told to write down the different steps how you have made the balance. Dear students, you might have seen your parents buying grocery items like 2 kg tur dal, 10 kg rice, 10 kg wheat flour, 1 kg sugar, 100 gram chili, etc. Have you observed how the shopkeeper measure these quantities? He uses the different standard weights of 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram, 500 gram, 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 5 kilogram, 10 kilogram, etc. to measure the different things. Sometime you might have seen the shopkeeper uses digital weighing machine to measure the different things. Dear students, are you interested to make your own weights? Let us make our own weights using sand. For this, we require cakes of soap of different weight, sand, rubber bands, paper packets and balance. Take a new cake of soap. The weight of cake of soap is written on the packet. Observe and write in your notebooks. Dear students, let us now make our own weights using sand. For this we require sand, cake of soaps of different weights, rubber and paper packets and a balance. Note down the weight of soap. It is 100 gram. Take out the soap from the cake. Keep the soap in one pan of the balance. Now you take one small paper packet and put it in other pan of the balance. Now in this paper packet add sand. You add sand till that balance get balanced. The soap have balanced the sand. Now this sand is equal in weight to the weight of the soap, and the soap weight is 100 gram. Now you fold this paper packet and tie with a rubber and stick a sticker and mark over that 100 gram. So now the weight of this sand in the packet is 100 gram. So now we can use this packet of sand for measuring the different objects, and this is going to measure 100 gram. Dear students, if you put the weight that we have made now in the same pan in which cake of soap is there, then how much weight of these two things are together? how many gram will both these weigh? Dear students, if you put this 100 gram sand that we have made the bait now in the same pan where we have kept our soap, now how much this weigh now? Now there is 100 gram of soap and 100 gram of bait that we have measured using sand. Now total weight on this pan is 100 gram soap plus 100 gram sand. So 100 gram plus 100 gram is 200 gram. So total weight of this pan is now 200 gram. Similarly students, you also try to make your own baits using different cakes of 500 gram, so student, these two things, soap and bait we have made using sand, total weight of these things is 200 gram. Similarly, you all of you make different baits of 500 gram, 150 gram, 200 gram, 250 gram using sand and different soap of different baits, and use these baits to measure different things available around your surrounding, to measure them and note down in your notebooks. Dear students, now observe a picture in which pan A of the balance contains 25 gram and 40 gram. Another pan B of the balance contains 40 gram and 35 gram. Guess which pan will goes down and why? Let us find it. We know that the pan which contains more bait will go down. So now we will first find out how much bait is there in each pan. Pan A contains total bait is equal to 25 gram plus 40 gram. So 25 gram plus 40 gram is equal to 65 gram. Pan B contains total bait is equal to 40 gram plus 35 gram is equal to 75 gram. Now pan B contains 75 gram, whereas pan A contains 65 gram. Now you know that 75 gram is greater than 65 gram. So the bait of pan B is greater than bait of pan A. What does it means? It means pan B goes down, since the bait on the pan B is greater than bait in the pan A. Dear students, now observe another picture in which pan A of the balance contains 700 gram, 245 gram and 55 gram, and another pan B of the balance contains 1 kilogram. Dear students, guess which pan will go down and why? Let us find it. Pan A of the balance contains total weight is equal to 700 gram plus 245 gram plus 55 gram, and 700 gram, 245 gram and 55 gram total is 1000 gram, whereas pan B contains total weight is equal to 1 kilogram. Dear students, now you tell me which pan is heavier and why? If you observe carefully the picture in which one pan contains weight in gram and other pan contains weight in kilogram. So, dear students, first of all we have to convert weights either in gram or either in kilogram, so that we can compare with each other. Now, you tell me how many grams are there in 1 kilogram? Yes, in 1 kilogram there are 1000 grams. It means 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Now, pan B contains total weight is equal to 1 kilogram, that is equal to 1000 gram, and pan A contains total weight is equal to 1000 gram. Dear students, now pan A also contains 1000 gram and pan B also contains 1000 gram. So, what happened to the balance and which pan of the balance will goes down and why? Dear students, both pans contains equal weights of 1000 gram. So, it means pans are going to balance, because pan A also contain 1000 gram and pan B also contain 1000 gram. Similarly, observe other diagrams given below from the NCERT textbook and find out which pan goes down in each case and why. Dear students, now you know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So, now you try to convert different weights from kilogram to gram and gram to kilogram. Let us do that. Convert the following into gram. 5 kilogram can be written as 5 into 1000 gram, that is equal to 5000 gram. Similarly, you try to convert other weights into gram like 10 kilogram, 15 kilogram, 2.5 kilogram, 1.25 kilogram. Students, let us now convert grams into kilograms. You know that 1000 grams are equal to 1 kilogram. So, let us now convert 2500 gram into kilogram. Similarly, you convert the following into kilograms: 2250 gram, 5450 gram, 2500 gram can be written as 2.5 kilogram, 1500 gram. Dear students, now I have a puzzle for you. You like the puzzles? So, let us solve a puzzle. I have 3 marbles of the same size, but one marble is slightly heavier than the other 2. Can you find which is that marble? And you can use a balance only 2 times. Students, think and try to solve the puzzle. Okay, I help you. Let A, B and C be the 3 marbles. One of them is heavier than the others. Let us find which is that marble. Put marbles A and B in different pans of the balance if both will be equal. Dear students, if both marbles are equal, then what happened to balance? Yes, then the balance is balanced. If balance is balanced, what does it means? Yes, it means that C is heavier than these 2 marbles. Now, suppose that when you put the marbles A and B in the pans of the balance and pan containing the marble A goes down, then which one is the heavier? If the pan containing the marble A goes down, it means A is heavier than B. If A is heavier than B, it also means that the marble A is also heavier than C, because only one marble is heavier than other two marbles. So, in this case we can say that marble A is heavier than marble B and C. Dear students, are there any other combinations are also possible? Think and try to find out other combinations if possible. Students, if I modify this same puzzle as I have 3 marbles of the same size, but one marble is slightly lighter than the other two. Can you find out which is that marble? You can use a balance only 2 times. Dear students, think and try to solve this modified puzzle. Students, I hope you like the puzzle and maybe you want to solve other puzzles also. So, I will give you another puzzle. Puzzle is, which is heavier, 1 kilogram cotton or 1 kilogram iron? Dear students, what do you think? Which is heavier, 1 kilogram cotton or 1 kilogram iron, and why? Think and try to find out which is heavier. Okay, I will help you. If you see the pictures, 1 kilogram cotton occupies a very large volume, whereas 1 kilogram iron occupies a small volume, but the weight of both is same. It means weight being the same, different things occupies different volume. Dear student, you might have observed that it is easy to lift an empty water bottle as compared to same water bottle filled with water, whereas the volume of the bottle is same. You know why? Yes, the bottle filled with water, whereas in the second case bottle is filled with air. The empty water bottle weight is less as compared with the same water bottle filled with water. So, we can say that equal volume of different things have different weight. So, from these we can say that 1 kg cotton and 1 kg iron both are equal, because their weights are 1 kilogram. Dear students, when you go with your parents to market to purchase some grocery items, then your parents buy some items or things in kilogram and some in gram. Okay. Try to make the list of items that we purchase in gram and a list of items or things that we purchase in kilogram. Things we usually buy in grams are tea, chili, turmeric, mustard seed, pepper, etc. And things we usually buy in kilogram are rice, wheat, sugar, syrup, onion, etc. Dear students, one day Dinesan went to the shop with his parents and purchased some grocery items in grams and kilograms. After reaching the home, Dinesan's younger brother cut the end of the bill. Dear students, now you help Dinesan to find out which are the things they have purchased in kilograms and which are the things they have purchased in gram. Things are as follow: rice 5, so they have purchased rice in kilogram, or rice is 5 kilogram. Sugar 1, so sugar they have purchased in 1 kilogram. Mustard seeds 10, so they have purchased mustard seed in gram, so they have purchased 10 gram. Wheat 3, so they have purchased wheat in kilogram, that is 3 kilogram. Dal 500, so they have purchased dal in gram, dal 500 gram. Tea 250, they have purchased tea in gram, that is 250 gram. Paper 25, so they have purchased paper in gram, that is 25 gram. Dear students, now make a list of things that you purchase in gram and things that you purchase in kilogram. Dear students, in today's class you have learned how to make beds using sand and how to add different beds. You have also learned how to convert beds from kilogram to gram and gram to kilogram. Also you have learned the different things of equal weight occupy different volume. Thank you.